It's like her home. She's just happy up on the lift. So hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab, and if you watched my last video, you know we got some knocking going on inside in the engine. So I need to do something about that. We'll pull the engine out, and it's not a good lighting situation for us. So we'll pull the engine out and see what is going on. I gotta do that. I'm just kind of like do I just yank the? It's so much easier to pull the engine out with the trans out, and the trans is pretty much easy to yank out. But I need to pull the exhaust to do that. So we'll start working on this. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna start taking things apart. Whoa. Guess we should undo the battery, huh? Alright, so we got the mic's on. So I've been going at it for So what I was trying to say is we've been going at it for a few hours here. Of course the mic wasn't on. The stupid cord keeps popping out of the out of the thing, which is annoying. But hey, you know, I got the drive shaft out, all the exhaust stuff out of there. A lot of stuff underneath unhooked, and you know, then I said the thing with the Sparky Spark, so I decided to drop it down and do the battery, and then, you know, once you're on the top, you might as well just start doing the top. So pulled out the dump pipe, pulled out the charge pipes, unhooked it, just drained the radiator. The nice thing in being in Texas is you can just fill it up with water, which makes draining this thing a whole lot easier to do. So yeah, just got most of the stuff unbolted here. This is a full day's work. So that'll be coming up tomorrow, and we'll rip this thing apart, see what's going on, where this knock is coming from. And yeah, thanks for dropping in, checking out the video, and until next time, this is Mike Monkey Fab signing out.